welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Miachels pop-up witch. So let's start by opening up the box. First things first, the base. This is pretty good metal, and the welds are pretty good on this. So that's good. Here's like a small plastic pole. There's two small pole connector pieces in here. Here's another pole. This one's a bit bigger than the other one. And then right over here, here's another pole that's shorter. It's like in the middle of the two sizes. Actually, no, it's about the same as the small one. Okay. Then last but not least, we got the witch itself. She's cool. I like her face sculpt a bit. Wish it had a little more detail. The hands are a little skinny, but they're cool. And then her clothes are pretty cool. Then inside there's also like instructions and stuff. Just like gemmy stuff in there. Like stop, don't return it. Then the instructions, but we don't need those. So now, starting her setup off. You can really take any of the poles you want because it doesn't matter which order you go in. So I'm just gonna, so you put the main pole in, right here. You put one of those pole connectors. You put another pole on. Another pole connector. Another pole. And then the last step, you gotta pick up the witch. This might take a second. And you gotta locate the spot where it connects. And then, like, get that attached. Alright. Now just get her clothes a little nice. Make her hands like more like that. And here's the demo. Probably fix her hat. I do not know why it just stopped right there. I think the batteries just died in this. Oh. I think it might have just broke. Guys, I really hope she didn't just break on me. What's wrong with this lady? I hear the motor running, which is probably not good. There's like no cord. Oh, that unplugged. Is this? That's just a sensor. Crap. I really hope she did not just break. Because this was like one of the main things in my trade. What do I do? Well, guys, you just witnessed the end to this witch, because now she is not moving or turning on at all. That's another prop lost. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.